If you're in the market for a mid-range phone that doesn't skimp on the essentials, the Samsung Galaxy A35 might just be up your alley. The Galaxy A35 has a glass back, giving it a more upscale vibe than plastic models. It's a bit hefty, but it feels solid. Plus, it's got an IP67 rating, so it can take a splash or two. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display is a feast for the eyes with colors that pop and a smoothness that keeps everything flowing beautifully thanks to that 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching your favorite show or swiping through your gallery, the visuals are just a delight. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 1380 processor, the Galaxy A35 delivers decent performance for everyday tasks. While it may not be the fastest chip on the block, it handles most apps and games without significant lag. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The main camera captures detailed photos with good dynamic range, though low-light performance could be better. The ultra-wide and macro cameras are adequate for casual photography. You can record 4K videos at 30 FPS, and the quality is good enough for this price range. The selfie camera on the Samsung Galaxy A35 is quite a performer in its class. It's equipped with a 13-megapixel sensor that can capture detailed and natural-looking selfies. What's impressive is its ability to record 4K videos at 30 FPS, which is a feature not commonly found in mid-range smartphones. This makes the Galaxy A35's front camera a great tool for vloggers. The camera also supports features like portrait mode, offering decent subject separation and background blur to make your selfies stand out. The 5,000 milliampere battery is a standout feature. It'll last you all day and then some. And with 25-watt fast charging, you won't be tethered to an outlet for too long. It runs Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1, which is user-friendly and offers a bunch of customization options. In a nutshell, the Galaxy A35 is a solid phone for the price. It's not going to blow your mind, but it's reliable, has a great screen, and the battery life is a major plus. It's worth considering if you want something that covers the basics without draining your wallet.